One. Hey, what's going on, guys? Sno Auto here, where winter's snow problem. As you can see by my red face, we've got a nice sunny summer here in Calgary right now. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna change these taillights out. Got a nice pair of Anzo taillights. Link will be down in the description. Hopefully these look nice. I'll show you how to install them, what they look like after compared to the OEM. Let's get to it. Alright, so first things first. She's a 2007 Pursuit. She's set up a bit differently. I have actually had it lowered. It looks better on even ground, but as you can see, she isn't lifted in the front as much anymore. She used to be a lot higher up. If you guys follow my Instagram, you'll see some nice pictures of me down in Eau Claire where I have lowered the car, and yeah. All those parts in the back are stuff that didn't fit before. I made a stupid mistake, but that's besides the point. So, go, double click that button, boom, trunk pops. And here we have a bunch of random stuff. But yes, there is this little piece right here that I'm going to be unscrewing on that side and that side. So guys, as you can see, got these all taken out. One of them is right there. Got one there and one right at the top. And for removing this, it's just like you click it to, yeah, I guess it's to stop it from breaking, but you click it from your right side to the left and you should be able to just pull out. So now with everything undone, this tail light should just pop right out. Oh, there we go. And as you can see, we've got the 3 holes we'll need here, here, and here for our new light. That's where our port is going to go. Now, for anybody with an 09 to 010, I forget which hole it was. You're not going to have one of these 3, so you're going to have to drill yourself an extra. But you can make these Anzo taillights fit your newer ones as well. So let's go and unpackage that. So guys, here we have it. This just looks real nice to me. Instead of having that big bulky red one there, have a nice clean look with some clear LEDs. We're going to make sure our signals and everything work afterwards, of course, and hopefully can just get this thing to work overall. So I'm going to stick it back in, see what it looks like after. So guys, as you can see, got the new one in, got our 2 hooks in to secure it. Now there's also a little power thing there to help with your LEDs. Now it's gonna stick there as it comes with a little sticky pad like for most things, so just stick it to the side there to keep her out of the way, and we're gonna plug her in and see how she looks. So here we go, guys. Here's the comparable difference. Nothing from afar, but one thing I noticed with the Anzo, I don't know if it's just me, the gap here is a bit bigger than with the OEM lights. Now, I don't know if that's just the one side or if it's me, but other than that, I think she's looking pretty good, looking hot. So let's get that second one in, and then we'll do some shots of turn signals, braking, and hazards. So here we go, guys. Taillights look nice on the car and everything. One thing I'd recommend though, try and get them sealed before you put them on. I went to go wash them and a bit of moisture got on the inside. Also, if you didn't know, I've got shirts. So if you're in Calgary, let me know. And yeah, so lights look nice. They work. I like them. So, as always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that bell to subscribe. And this is Sno Auto, signing off. Peace!